Yung malakas na palakpakan ko. Okay? Willie, this is your first public kiss. Ipakita mo sa kanila kung gaano mo kamahal si Sheena. In this moment, Willie, you must kiss your bride. Okay? Kiss it to the other. Oh, okay. Buksan mo ang dapat mong buksan. Okay. Okay, excited si Willie. Ipakita mo o ipagmamalaki mo si Sheena na siya talaga, kahit marami pang magaganda dyan, si Sheena pa rin ang ibubuhos ng iyong pag-ibig. Willie, kiss now your wife. Sandali lang. Parang kayong, manok to ka lang. Sige, 10 seconds, go. Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Paran. Congratulations and welcome to the family. Thank you. I will give the microphone.